I put filling, not too much, not too loose, just enough to have. And now we're gonna close. We go in, 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 in. Okay, we shrink this. See, I looking for kind of stuff like this. I put them in refrigerator for some time in freezing. They kill all bacteria, and I have nice one. And I can even use this as decoration if I need it. Oh. And you press it, press it, press it, make it like a pumpkin, you know, and you push it more, and this is your pumpkin with a wheat stitch. See, little bit come out. See, it's okay. See, wheat stitch, pretty. Oh, and you can put another bowl, something. Can be anything what you have in the house and you don't need it, because I don't want to buy, you know, doing for yourself. Oh. Oh. And here we do this, you know, those balls from yarn and you can always use them. See, perfect.